Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the mesmerizing world of chainsaw wood cutting. From towering trees to massive logs, watch as these powerful machines transform raw timber into perfectly cut pieces of wood. Let's get started. Chainsaw wood cutting is not just a task, it's an art form. The precision, power, and skill required to handle these machines make every cut a spectacle. In today's video, we'll show you some of the most captivating chainsaw wood cutting scenes that will leave you in awe. First, we have the felling of a giant tree. This process requires careful planning and precision to ensure the tree falls in the right direction. Watch as the chainsaw slices through the thick trunk with ease. The power and control needed to guide the tree to a safe landing spot is truly impressive. Next, we move on to bucking and limbing. This is where the tree is cut into manageable sections and the branches are removed. Limbing, on the other hand, is all about maneuverability. The operator must navigate around the tree, removing branches quickly and efficiently. Bucking requires precision and speed. Each cut must be made carefully to ensure the wood is of the highest quality. There's something incredibly satisfying about watching a tree fall. It's a testament to the skill and expertise of the logger. the most fascinating aspects of woodcutting is milling. This is where a log is transformed into usable lumber. Using a chainsaw mill attachment, the operator can create perfectly straight planks of wood. The precision and smoothness of each cut are truly mesmerizing. Transformation from raw log to finished plank is a remarkable process. It's a perfect blend of power